Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send link in Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly send a link in Monopoly Go, so maybe you want to invite a friend into playing Monopoly Go, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Monopoly Go. Since I already have Monopoly Go open in here, what do we need to do? So, inside Monopoly Go, at the bottom right of your screen, you should see the Friends tab. Now, if you don't see that immediately on your screen, you may need to play or progress the game further in order for you to access that. But yeah, so in this case, you want to go and click on Friends. Now, inside Friends, you want to go and just click on the Invite button that you see at the bottom of your screen. And in here, you should be able to see the How It Works section. But you can go and just ignore this by clicking on the X button. And what's important here is going to be the invite button that you see at the top of the FV invite button. So that's going to be the orange invite button. So go and just press on it. And you have multiple ways on sending a link here. Now, you could either copy the link itself by clicking on the copy button here that says play Monopoly Go with me. It depends on what phone you currently have. It might look different for you. But yeah, you could go and just click on copy and you could just basically paste this on whatever platform. Maybe on Discord or Messenger or in whatever way you want to paste that. So it's just going to be pasted or copied into your clipboard. And you could just paste that. But if you want to directly see the actual link, well, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just scroll down a bit here. Look for notes. And you want to go and click on it. And you should be able to see the link for your account. So you could just basically copy the link itself. Click on copy. Or you could copy the whole thing here if you want. And once you've done that, you can go and exit the page here. And you want to go and open up any messaging app. Like, for example, Messenger here. And you want to go and just open up the conversation that you want to send. Just paste it. And just click on send. And once you've done that, you've just successfully sent a link to someone here through Monopoly Go. Now, if you don't want to do the whole thing in here, you can also choose one of the available apps in here. Now, you could choose one from the following, like Facebook. You can even choose via email, Instagram messages, and a lot more. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.